No gym motivation? Let Zinhle inspire you. Mama, DJ, author, and she still has time to work on that body? Any. And here we are complaining about a basic 8-hour day. Listen. It's not the first time we've spoken about Zinhle and her body. Y'all know that she is dedicated and sticks to a schedule to make sure that her body and mind are where she wants it to be. It takes work, you know. So, if you've got the sniffles and just can't manage to pull yourself together, and are considering reaching for another hot chocolate, look at Zinhle. Look. Small steps, fam. And maybe come summer we'll even be able to invite Spile to a squat challenge.
You